stand on. Leaves it wrong sort of scaffold to start with.
Yeah. There's no props on it.
I mean, I know why they're doing it like that, because it's too awkward to use the proper stuff. But
It's a good job his mate's out that way, innit?
you want that fold away, would it? Only by look, more by look than judgment, wouldn't it?
I think he's kicked it as he's jumped off, you know. I think he's kicked it as he's jumped off, and then he's tried to push it back up.
Oh, well, that's what he was saying. He was trying to hold it back up. He says a gust of wind took it, and he was trying to hold it back up. Well, you can see it got quite windy, can't you? Because it's that sign flapping.